I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to prepare clam chowder. First, gather your ingredients: 2 pounds of fresh clams, 4 slices of bacon, 1 large onion, and 2 celery stalks. Begin by cooking the bacon until it's nice and crispy. Remove the bacon, leaving about 2 tablespoons of the rendered fat in the pot. Now, sauté your diced onion and celery in that flavorful fat until they soften. Then add 2 cloves of minced garlic for 1 minute. Next, let's build that rich, creamy broth. Sprinkle 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour over your softened vegetables and cook for about 1 minute, stirring well. This creates a roux. Now, gradually whisk in 2 cups of clam juice and 1 cup of chicken broth. Bring this mixture to a gentle simmer, stirring constantly until it begins to thicken slightly. This forms the delicious base for your chowder. Now for the star of the show. Add 1.5 cups of diced potatoes to the simmering broth and cook until they are tender, which usually takes about 10 minutes. Once the potatoes are ready, stir in 1.5 cups of heavy cream and your cooked clams. Heat everything through gently, being careful not to boil. Finally, season your chowder with salt, black pepper, and a pinch of fresh thyme to taste. Your delicious homemade clam chowder is ready. Ladle the hot chowder into bowls and crumble that crispy bacon you cooked earlier over the top for a fantastic garnish. Serve it immediately with some oyster crackers or a slice of warm, crusty bread for dipping. It's the perfect comforting meal. Don't forget to check the description below for a link to the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum and other great deals to make your life easier.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.